Good day, everyone. This is our research representation, Group 3, AL CBF 11A. My name is Charmaine Paray Lapira.
My name is Angelica Dueñas Inano.
My name is Edeline Palencia Lorica. My name is Patricia Joy Achelsa de la Cruz.
And my name is Khadija Nadua.
And my name is Aldrin Alcazar.
And my name is Jan Erwin Jacob.
And this is our research title, The Influence of Behavior Factors on Purchasing Decisions, Phenomenological Study of the Experience of Consumers. Consumer choices are influenced by factors like price, quality, brand, loyalty, and available information. However, a major gap exists understanding how large-scale events impact these choices. This research aims to address this gap by focusing on the influence of the COVID-19 pandemic on the consumer behavior. The pandemic significantly disrupted economies and consumer preferences, making it crucial for businesses to adapt. The surge in online shopping during the period adds another layer of complexity. By investigating how online shopping behavior unfolds in different markets, this research will provide valuable insight for businesses navigating the post-pandemic consumer landscape. This research focuses on, in fact, the COVID-19 pandemic on online shopping behavior. The pandemic caused a surge in online shopping and shift in consumer priorities toward health and digital experiences. Businesses are struggling to keep up with the changes landscape and need to improve their digital consumer experience to stay competitive. By addressing research problems, the study aimed to contribute the existent body of knowledge consumer behavior, providing variable insight for businesses and marketers. This insight can inform decision-making, strategy, development, and targeted market efforts. The research emphasizes the importance of understanding how consumers use different devices like computer and smartphone to shop online. This includes considering how factors like screen size and interactivity influence their decisions. By understanding these aspects, businesses can tailor their online shopping experience to different devices and cater their customer needs more effectively. Overall, the goal of this research is to bridge the gap between what business want to offer, great decision customer experiences, and what they are delivering. By understanding how online shopping behavior has changed and how customers use different devices, businesses can develop better strategy to win over customers in evolving online shopping environment. By understanding how online shopping behavior has changed and how customers use different devices, businesses can develop better strategy to win over customers in evolving online shopping environment.
For question number 1, consumer behavior is influenced by certain key factors. These include personal, psychological, social, and situational factors. These factors can be permanent or temporary, but they all affect consumer decision-making, either one at a time or unison with one or more of the others. For question number 2, the relationship between behavior factors and purchasing decision is influenced by various contextual and situational factors. And this is the 5 factors: cultural factors, social factors, personal factors, psychological factors, and situational factors. These factors shapes consumers' behavior and ultimately affects purchasing decisions. For question number 3, consumers often face complex decisions when making purchasing choices. They weigh various factors and trade-offs of arrive at a decision that aligns with their preferences and needs. Here are some insights on how consumers navigate these trade-offs. First, belief and behavior change. Second, trade-offs and prioritization. Third, emerging habits and contextual split. Fourth, granular analysis. Consumer behavior involves recognizing the interplay of beliefs, habits, trade-offs, and context by leveraging these insights. Companies can influence purchasing decisions effectively. For question number 4, this research has shown that people tend to be driven by 3 main emotions when making purchase decisions, and these are pleasure, fear, and guilt. Pleasure, the thrill of getting a good deal or finding the perfect item. Fear, the fear of missing out on an offer or opportunity. Guilt, especially relevant for impulse purchases or spending beyond one's means.
Our quick summary of one of decided research, how various behavioral factors affect consumer purchasing decision, employing a phenomenological approach to understand the lived experience of consumers.
This study aims to investigate the influence of consumer behavior on purchasing decision in both traditional retail and e-commerce channels. The significance of this research extends to various stakeholders, and this is the significance beneficiary, business, consumer, policy makers, academic, and researchers, and industry professional.
This review of literature focuses on the impact of COVID-19 crisis on consumer behavior and purchasing motivation. It highlights the significant shifts in consumer behavior and purchasing decision caused by the pandemic. Factors such as price perception, quality perception, and brand loyalty, and product information have played vital roles in shaping consumer choices for our private label food products. The crisis has also led to changes in online shopping behavior, with consumers and becoming more selective and mindful of their purchases. Businesses need to adapt their strategies to meet evolving consumers' needs and preferences, such as demonstrating empathy, addressing health and safety concerns, and providing flexible purchasing options. The analysis of these shifts in consumer behavior provides insight into future trends and opportunities, such as the accelerated digital transformation and the growing importance of e-commerce channels. Overall, understanding the impact of the COVID-19 crisis on consumer behavior is crucial for businesses and marketers to effectively adapt their strategies and meet consumer needs in the new landscape.
The conceptual frameworks for the study outline the factors influencing consumer behavior and purchasing decision in traditional retail and e-commerce channels. Factors such as a store atmosphere, customer service, pricing, and promotional impact consumer behavior in traditional retail, while website design, product information, and convenience influence consumer behavior in e-commerce. These factors affect consumer cognitive response, perspective of product quality, brand perception, perceived value, and emotional responses, satisfaction, trust, emotional engagement. Purchasing decision can be categorized as in-store purchases, impulse by repeat visit in traditional retail, and online purchases, cart abandonment and return, and purchasing behavior in e-commerce. Perceived useful and ease of use mediate the relation between factors and purchasing decision, particularly in e-commerce. Consumer demographic and characteristics such as age, gender, income, technology, adoption, and shopping preferences may moderate this relationship. Overall, the framework provides insight to the complex interaction between factors influence consumer behavior and purchasing decision in both traditional retail and e-commerce channels.
The research was conducted in the market of Dasmariñas City, Cavite, focusing on the factors influencing consumer behavior and strategies for influence. These factors include personal preferences, cultural influences, economic conditions, and marketing campaigns. Understanding consumers' buying behavior entails analyzing their perspectives and discerning the driver behind their purchasing decisions. The respondents consisted of consumers experiencing diverse purchasing behaviors, influenced by contextual and situational factors. Research design and data collection. This study will employ a phenomenological approach to deeply understand consumers' perceptions, motivations, and experiences. Purposive sampling will select participants with online purchasing experience impacted by COVID-19. Interviews using open-ended questions will explore participants' shopping behavior, preferences, and pandemic experiences, conducted face-to-face or virtually. Focus groups will facilitate group discussions revealing shared perceptions and differences. Observations of real-life or online shopping behavior will uncover decision-making processes and reactions to marketing. Document analysis of online reviews and social media posts will provide additional insights into consumers' perspectives and interactions.
A quick summary on one of the cited papers are that Alkis and COSIT 2022 investigated privacy concerns in consumers' e-commerce activities and their response to social media advertising in Europe.